Alright guys, so this is, I believe, step 7 that we're looking at here, and it asks us to fillet the edges of these pieces from 122 that we made. So you need to go back to 122. You should have that activity 122 document set up, because I told you to set it up. Alright, now one thing I just noticed when I opened this, guys, just kind of show you something. Sometimes you get extra sketches when you're building something, you accidentally opened it, and you didn't delete it, you didn't use it for anything. One such sketch is this sketch 2 here, and you can see how I kind of have these random dots here at the bottom, and that's how I figured out it was there. Okay, those random dots are because I have what's called an unconsumed sketch. Okay, it's a sketch I created, but I used for absolutely nothing, and it kind of just makes my object look a little funky. Okay, sometimes the eyeball is still there if it's a shared sketch, but that's not the case for this one. This one's just extra sketch. Worst case scenario, if you delete it, you can always undo and come back to it if it was something you needed. But in this case, I know it's not. I hit delete, and look, my funny dots at the bottom go away. Alright, that's not the real purpose of this activity, but I thought I'd show it to you. So also another thing you'll notice is if you're trying to edit something in a sketch and you keep trying and trying to edit and you can't seem to select what's going on, most likely you have several sketches open at once, and you need to delete the extra ones and find the one that actually has what you're trying to edit in it. Alright, if you don't understand what I'm talking about, ask me in class. Alright, so in step 7, it asks us to go back and fillet these. I'm going to fillet this one. You guys go back and fillet the rest at the bottom here. And so I'm going to go ahead and select my feature tools. I'm going to select fillet. And all I have to do here is start selecting the edges. Now, we're supposed to make this look proportional. And if you start looking at what my fillet's doing right now, those don't look proportional. Like, this is supposed to be one of those wooden kids play blocks. They don't look like this, okay? So, I need to change. I'm going to go ahead and change it before I finish it. I got one more edge in there to grab. This radius. And I'm going to change it to, let's say, 0.01. Oh, that seems like that could be maybe too small. So let's go with, I don't know, 0.05. Oh, I kind of like that. Okay, so that's what I'm going to go with. Now I'm missing, I think, an edge in there somewhere. So let's go ahead and get that real quick. And so as you can tell, the fillet tool kind of rounds your edges off. See, I know I was missing one there. And I think that might be the last one on this side. That one there. Alright, and it looks like I have all my sides rounded. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and do this to the rest of the objects down here. And then, oh, hit check so it looks pretty. So you can see what it looks like when it's done. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Take screenshots of those, put them in your Notability document, and you can move on from there. Alright, guys.